Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a neutral baseline so you can hear changes clearly. First, lower volume to around 50% to protect speakers and ears. Then choose the flat preset or reset the equalizer to neutral. This removes prior boosts that hide problems. Load a familiar song with strong bass, mids, and highs so you recognize shifts. Once done, raise a single band slightly and listen for change. This immediate feedback guides every next adjustment. Now focus on the middle frequencies and highs because they govern clarity and detail. Reduce muddiness by lowering 250-500 Hz a little, then bring forward vocals by gently boosting 1-2 kHz. Next, add air with a 5-12 kHz boost if the sound seems dull, but cut slightly if harsh or sibilant. Use a narrow cue to target offensive tones and a wider cue to shape overall character. Make changes in small steps. Listen between each one and compare often to your flat bass line. Finish by checking bass impact on the whole mix because lows affect perceived loudness and headroom. Increase 40-120 Hz only until tightness is added. Stop before distortion or amplifier clipping. Once satisfied, a /B test. Switch back to flat and then your tune preset to ensure improvement. Save the preset in the head unit. If you hear distortion, immediately lower the boosted band, reduce system gain, and inspect speaker wiring and amplifier settings. These steps fix most problems and protect your equipment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.